Hello, Mary here from PawsPlannersDesigns, and today we're going to be working on stickers in GoodNotes 5. So, if you have already purchased one of my bundles, or my sticker bundles, you already know that every single one of them has PNG files which are individual pre-crop. You can drag and drop these ones into your planner if you want to, or you can use the GoodNotes file that is included in all of my bundles. So let's open GoodNotes 5. Here I already created a folder where I wanted to do my bundle to be, and I open a side window and I'm going to choose the GoodNotes files and I'm going to drag and drop it here into GoodNotes 5. Recommendation: wait for this file to be synced, please. Like that, here is syncing. Because if you don't wait, you are not going to see the complete file when you open it. It's going to be kind of missing things in there. It's a glitch that GoodNotes has. So I'm going to open my bundle, and for you to use every part of this, the only thing that you have to do is choose the pen tool and choose the lasso tool, and be sure you have this box on, turn on image box, and we are going to select the only sticker that we want to work with. Click and hold and you will select copy, go to your planner, click and hold and paste. You can resize it or leave it as it is your choice. If you want to select a group of stickers, you are going to use the same lasso tool, but now the selection with the lasso, it's going to be wider, and you're gonna have to cover all the elements that you want to copy. So click and hold, copy, go to your planner and paste. When you have a group, is resizing all the elements. So for me, I love to use this one because it saves a lot of time. So I'm going to place every single sticker where it's supposed to be, and I'm going to forward this video for it. Perfect. Now guys, if you want to erase an element, the only thing you have to do is select that stickers, click and hold and click delete. If you make that by mistake, you can choose this arrow to go back and you have your sticker here again. Now I want to use a chihuahua for this, so I'm going to open my chihuahua bundle, which is here. Here you go. And I'm going to use this cuteness. I'm going to select it, copy, and paste here. Here it is. But he's over my number 5 and I don't want it to go to over my number 5, so I'm gonna click and hold and select cut and paste again. When we release it, the number 5 is going to be over my chihuahua. Now there are also a few other things that you can do with stickers here. I want to use this one. Copy and bring it here and paste. And I'm going to place it right here in the middle. Yes, happy with that. Release it and you click and hold edit, and you're gonna have these options for the arrows. This is other option to resize your image, so you can use this one to resize like this, for example. Copy that, and for the side, there you go. And release it. And again, my chihuahua is down there. I don't want it to go down there, so I'm going to use the lasso tool. Select, click and hold, cut, paste. And select again my number, cut, paste, and here we go. This is how my layout, my main layout is looking so far, but I have the feeling that something missing there. So I'm gonna go back to my stickers. I want to use the blue one, and I want this one, but just the upper side. I'm going to select it, click and hold, copy, go back to my planner, click and hold and paste it. I'm going to resize it a little bit. I'm going to release it, but like I said, I only want the upper side. So what can I do with GoodNotes? I'm going to click and hold over the image, edit, click and hold again, and I'm going to select crop. When I select crop, this window appears. I'm only going to be moving through these dots. When I have selected the part that I want, I click done. Here it is. I'm going to resize it a little bit further. There you go. Place it. And here it is. I think my layout is complete for this month. That's all, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to visit the shop. I'm going to leave the link down below. Don't forget to give us a thumb up if you like this video. Thank you very much. See you soon. And if you want another video, leave it in the comments. Have a good day. Bye bye, guys.